of technology. In this video, let's see what is subject verb agreement, which means Concord. And I have posted two videos, part 1 and part 2 in this topic. So do check that video and get somehow clear explanation about what is subject and verb. And also I have explained two rules, and we have 12 rules in it. So go check that video and come back to this video. So today we are going to see what is rule number 3, and rule number 3 I have completed. So rule number 4 is compound subjects with the word or can take either a singular verb or a plural verb. So here I have given an example like the ranger or the champer seized the bear. The camper, which means the ranger and the camper. So already I have explained you like the ranger, which means I have a pen from Dilip, and I have another one pen from camper. The camper, which means these both are singular. I can write a pen, either one with a red pen or with a blue pen. So at a singular time I can use any one pen, so it is called a singular. So we have to use singular verb as seize in that for that subject. So singular subject has to have singular verb. And another one example, if the example is the rangers or the campers, which means I have another one person here to me, and that person also writing something. So I can use red pen and she can use blue pen. So at time we people are using both the pen. So it's like a ranger or the champers, which mean rangers, a group of rangers or group of champers. However, it is plural, so we have to use plural verb as see the bear. So another one is we have some exceptions for this rule, like the ranger or the champers. So if the sentence is a ranger, a singular pen, and the champer, a two number of pens. Okay, so the ranger is singular and the champers is plural one. If it is so, we have to see the nearest subject as plural or singular. We should not go to that far away one. So here the ranger or the champer, clearly I have explained the what is that example here. The ranger is singular or the champers is plural. So we have to see nearest subject as plural. So we have to go with subject as plural one as a see the bear. So another one example, like now the subject, the plural one is coming at the first one and singular is coming next to the verb. So the rangers or the champer sees the bear. So why I have used to seize as a singular one here? Because the nearest subject is singular one. And another one example as the rangers, the explorers or the champer. How many n number of plural are there? Don't worry about it. Just check what subject is nearer to the verb. So here nearest subject is camper. So camper is singular one, so we have to use singular verb as seize. So another one, rule number 5, the verb in and either. So before explaining rule number 5, better let me go rule number 1 and let me recall all the rules. So rule number 1 is a singular subject takes a singular verb and a plural verb subject should take a plural verb. So rule number 3 is compound subject with the word and takes plural verb. And exception here is if you are explaining a particular person, don't get confused with it. If you are explaining a singular person, go with the singular verb. And fourth rule is compound subject with the word or they can take either a singular verb or a plural verb. And here also we have some exceptions. Do check screenshot and make note of it. So the ranger or the camper sees the bear. The rangers or the champer sees the bear. The rangers, the explorers or the campers sees the bear. So however it might be, plural subject should have we have to use plural verb, but exactly near to the verb is singular, so we have to use singular verb for it. So we'll see more about this in upcoming video. Say stay tuned and get clear explanation about all other videos. Thank you for listening.